English to French. Make, do equals.
Faire. Je fais. Tu fais.
Welcome. Hey you, great to have you here. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Swing by www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies. Today you'll master the English to French switch for make, do.
Faire.
Plus the everyday stars.
Je fais. Tu fais. Il fait. Elle fait.
And.
Ça fait.
Buckle up and smile. Learning works better with laughs. Your goal today. By the end, you'll swap English for French on cue and sound natural. Let's map it fast. Make, do.
Faire.
I do, I make.
Je fais.
You do, informal, one friend.
Tu fais.
He does, he makes.
Il fait.
She does, she makes.
Elle fait.
It makes, it causes.
Ça fait.
Mini dialogue, the coffee mission. Listen first, then echo the French out loud. Yes, talk to your phone, I won't tell. You, should we make coffee or tea? Friend.
Tu fais.
Le café au you.
Je fais.
Latte? Barista points over.
Il fait.
Les espressos aujourd'hui. You at home, she makes dessert.
Elle fait.
Un gâteau, nice. Barista winks. Press this button.
Ça fait.
De la mousse parfaite. Both of you, okay then, let's do it, on VA.
Faire.
Ka maintenant. Rhythm drill. Clap or tap along and repeat, make your neighbors jealous of your accent. Clap, repeat.
Je fais.
Again.
Je fais.
2 claps, repeat.
Tu fais.
Louder.
Tu fais.
Snap, say.
Il fait.
Smooth.
Il fait.
Snap, say.
Elle fait.
Confident.
Elle fait.
Drum on the table, say.
Ça fait.
One more.
Ça fait.
Big finish, chant the set.
Je fais. Tu fais. Il fait. Elle fait. Ça fait. Faire.
Culture tip. Use.
Faire.
Like a pro. Tiny culture nugget so you sound local. In French.
Faire.
Covers tons of daily actions.
Faire.
Do sport.
Faire.
La vaisselle.
Faire.
Un gâteau. For feelings and effects, you'll hear.
Ça fait. Ça fait.
Do bien.
Ça fait.
Mal.
Ça fait.
Do bruit. Weather uses he does, but impersonal.
Il fait.
Beau, it's nice out. Different jobs, same family. Pronoun switch drills. Hear the cue, say it in French, then check the answer. Go. I do the dishes. Say it. Answer.
Je fais.
La vaisselle. You do your homework. Say it. Answer.
Tu fais.
Tes devoirs. He does it every day. Say it. Answer.
Il fait.
Ka tous les jours. She makes coffee on Sundays. Say it. Answer.
Elle fait.
Du café le dimanche. It makes a big difference. Say it. Answer.
Ça fait.
Une grande différence. We need the base form to plan. Say, to do, to make. Answer.
Faire.
Quick quiz. Pop quiz time. Shout your answers, I'll wait. Which French verb means to make, to do? Answer.
Faire.
How do you say, you do, to a friend? Answer.
Tu fais.
French for, he does. Answer.
Il fait.
French for, she makes. Answer.
Elle fait.
Translate, it makes noise. Answer.
Ça fait.
Do brew it. Challenge. One breath story. Say this in one breath and smile while you do it. Ready? Party mode speedrun.
Je fais.
Le café.
Tu fais.
La playlist.
Il fait.
Des blagues.
Elle fait.
Un gâteau.
Ça fait.
Une super soirée, et demain, on va tout.
Faire.
Encore. Thanks and next steps. Nice work, high five through the headphones. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Faire. Je fais. Tu fais. Il fait. Elle fait.
And.
Ça fait.
In real life today. For more lessons, games, and printable drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. You've got this. See you next time.